Hello, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Our host is the Grace Life DIY and the Robin's Nest by Terry. This is celebrating the last 10 days of the year. Sometimes we just have quiet evenings at home. And this is me making my husband a simple taco pizza for supper.
Okay, let's make some Mexican pizza. I'm starting off with some tortillas. And I'm going to just cook them on my flat top. And I'm going to make up quite a few of these ahead because these are something I can freeze and send to work with my husband. Okay, I cooked these until they were nice and golden brown on one side, which it took me a little longer to get the flat top heated up than I thought it would. And then I'm going to just scoop them up and put them onto a plate. And I'll start the next ones. And then I'll go bring you over and show you what I do to top them. Okay, here is this is just it's a cookie, it's a cookie sheet with tin foil, and I put a little bit of olive oil spray on it. And I'm gonna add, this is just taco mix. And add some taco meat on. And I'm putting a little bit more on my husband's than mine because I just don't care much for meat. Here he comes now. And then I added some, this is just mild salsa, or pico de gallo. And then on my husband's, I'm going to add some green pepper and some onion. I'm going to add a little onion on mine, but and then I'm going to add some cheese. I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees until the cheese melts. And then I'll bring it out and I'm going to top it with shredded lettuce and some tomato and some sour cream. What do you think about the Mexican pizza?
Oh, it's real good. I folded it over, see? But
He made it look sloppy, but he likes it.
No, it's folded over. That way I can take bites out. See, it's good.
What's the best part of it?
I don't know. The ground beef, the tomatoes are fresher from Myers, but
We've never made this
Everything.
before. Would you want me to make it again? That's a true test.
yeah, it tastes good.
Would you take this to work with you?
Yeah, I guess. Look at this. See, I folded it over because it's like rolled up.
Would you eat it on the road? Or would it make Texas shameful?
No, it'd be fine.